everyone, today we're going to look at LookFantastic Special Edition, the Gloss Edit. If you watch my channel, I love glossy things. And not today, see, I have a little bit of glossiness on both my lips and my cheeks, and you can't really see, but it's just a little bit of glow I think goes a long way. I'm excited about this new edit. It says all the best heroes are ordinary people who do extraordinary things. And it has the regular LookFantastic box. Usually that's how the special boxes come. Hashtag Team Fantastic. LookFantastic is a British company who has been in the online business since the 90s. I think it is the very first makeup shop online. Pretty well recognized. So let's take a look at this box. I just think it is super fun. So because it is a special edition, it's not something you subscribe to. You actually purchase this separately. It is usually a little bit more expensive. This box costs $35, but right now I think there's a 15% off discount on the site. If there are any links or any special codes, I'm gonna have them down below in the description for you guys. Let's look at the products. It does not have a book. Nope, doesn't look like it came with an edit book. At least my box didn't. But we can go online and take a look at what they have. Usually there are no prices. LookFantastic really is sold throughout the world, but I think they don't put prices on their brochures because they use the same format and they ship it out all over the world. If you go to their website and change it to US American dollars, it will give you the breakdown of the products right there on the website. So the Glow Edit box is worth over $80. And the LookFantastic Glow Hero Edit is a curated main attraction of our editor favorites, award-winning bestsellers, and must-have beauty items. Enjoy your summer with this limited edition collection that's meant to bring out your inner radiance every day and night with a curated selection of skincare, makeup, and body care to maintain that gorgeous summer afterglow through the fall. The first one is the Babor Hydration Ampoule Concentrates. Perfect glow, Eclat Parfait, radiance and moisture. Love it. An active concentrate. This is German. I think it's a German brand. There are 7 ampoules in there. Thoroughly moisturizes the skin with light reflecting pigments, created youthful looking glow and help even out skin tone. With regular use, Perfection Peptide P3 helps to promote natural skin rejuvenation. Result, a more even looking skin tone with a fresh and radiant appearance. I can't wait to try this. I have makeup on, so I'm not gonna do it. But look at this gorgeous setup. Isn't that beautiful? These things are made out of glass and they have this little tiny little contraption here that helps you break it. I'm afraid to do it and cut myself. But next time I use it, I will probably have one day where I am going to create a video on crazy products and how to use them. Because this looks crazy to me. Probably you're just gonna go like this and you break it, but I need to look into that because I don't want to cut myself because I'm notorious for getting hurt with knives, sharp objects, and hot things. That's why I can't cook. I think I have burn marks all over from trying to cook. Yeah, there you go. So super cool. I can't wait to try it. It does have here like how to operate this. So good luck with that. I will try one though one of these days for us. I'll make it a special video just on that. So super fun, glow and hydrate. The Vita Liberata Body Blur Instant HD Skin Finish. This looks like something that would be more like a tanner. I don't know when you would use this product. Skin finish. Would you put it on your face? It is very subtle because I did try it on my skin. I have another burn on my hand that, see if it's gonna hide it. Here it is, and it's called Latte. Let's see how it looks in comparison to my other hand. It just kind of gives it a glow, like a little healthy glow. I bet you can put it in your face. Yeah, look at it. This is the hand with the glow. It has a little bit of color, but mostly a nice, beautiful glow. Goddess-like glow. Doesn't have any fragrance that would bother anybody. It's very gentle. Body blur. So I'm assuming it's for your entire body, even though this is so little. I don't know. I could only use it on my face. Too small, guys. If it's a body blur, you don't want it so small that you can't use it in your entire body. So maybe face only. Here's the Lumene Nordic C Fresh Glow Brightening Gel Mask. Another brightening gel mask. Is this it? Yeah, Lumene Nordic C Fresh Glow Brightening Gel. Super tiny words I cannot read. But there is the mask. Probably can use it a couple times. So jelly-like. I love it that it has that jelly look. Oh my gosh, the consistency. Let's try. Oh, it feels hydrating. And the scent is very delicate and very elegant. It doesn't have fragrances, it's just the product itself. Ooh, I like that very much. Vegan, 15 ml. Apply a generous amount on dry, clean skin. I guess you need to avoid the eye area once or twice a week. Leave on for 10 minutes. Wipe off with a damp cloth, then rinse skin. It has Nordic C, so I'm thinking it has vitamin C in it, so hey. I'm liking the products. Like I said, I love the glow. I love how my skin usually glows because I take care of it, and I usually use products that are luminescent in some way. I will put a list of my makeup down below so that you guys can, if you have any questions on what I'm wearing, it's gonna be down below. So something like this would be very exciting for me. Something like a glowing mask would be exciting for me. This blur product, could try putting it on my face and see what happens and just test it, but I don't know if I can use this. It doesn't seem like enough for my entire body, and I'm tan enough, so I don't need that. This is a fun one. Deodorant. I love getting deodorant in these boxes, and this is called Merci Handy, a clean deodorant. Namaste. So when I open it, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. There's like it's a sweet with a little tartness, but it's not fruity. I can't stand fruity. Oh, I love the way this smells. I cannot even tell you. So I'm super excited, and it's clear, so it doesn't leave residue on your black outfit as you put it on. Let me see what it says. Natural deodorant. It's worth $12. Ren. Thought Ren was a hair product line, but this one, it says clean skincare, ready, steady glow, daily alpha hydroxy acid tonic. Ready, steady glow. It's kind of like a toner. The consistency of a toner, but the acid, feels a little oily toner. And the acid will remove some of the skin. Anyway, super fun too. Can't wait to try it. Last product is a Sally Hansen nail polish. Okay, we're gonna have to try this. It's a 2-in-1, so that's like a gel polish. Miracle Gel. And since I have nothing in my nails, let's try, shall we? This would have been a fun color in the spring, although there are very fabulous colors coming up this fall. Clothes will have interesting both pastel and vibrant colors, not colors that we usually associate with fall. One coat. So this product has dimethicone and panthenol. The dimethicone is supposed to hydrate your skin. The product is supposed to even out your skin tone and serve as a bronzer. It's supposed to be just a tiny little amount. Maybe I did too much. Do you have this color? Might be a little dark for me. It's called Latte. They have a Latte Light that might be more what I was looking for, but this is what they sent. It's supposed to kind of hide little imperfections. It does not have sunscreen in it, so that means I have put sunscreen underneath my skin, which I'm afraid is going to break me out. I buy new sunscreens because mine is no longer available. But it has a dimethicone and panthenol. Dimethicone will bring moisture to the skin, but from within the skin, and it's occlusive. That means nothing comes in and out, which could cause irritation, and if you have sensitive skin, it might give you a rash. So you need to be careful about that. I need to be careful about that, so I'll be watching it. I guess they're using the panthenol to offset that, because panthenol will reduce irritation and inflammations. See what happens. This is really dark. I wanted to see what it makes my skin look like. If there is like a glow for the end of summer, beginning of fall. Filming today, and I'll be wearing fall colors with dark skin. It will be interesting. I might wash it off, but we'll see. There it is.